Good morning. We've been in Rishikesh a week now and explored the lower area down by the Ganges. We've been across the river. We walked one of the walking bridges, and we've decided to make our way up into the Tapovan Valley a little bit more. There's a freshwater stream that goes along it and gives us a little elevation away from the sounds of the city. And so that's where we're headed today, and there'll be some more adventures coming. Okay. Did I mention uphill?
Here in Tapovan, we followed the road up the hill to get away from the loud noises, and we came upon fresh water. Very nice, coming from the mountain, and it goes up and up and up. We stopped here to have a coffee, and Olga made friends with a dog and a cow, and this is called Ubek's home. And then we looked at a room, and we'll probably be shifting here later in the week. The rate is good, it's nice and clean, the people are friendly, and here we go. For now, I'm just exploring the front and the lobby. Olga's upstairs. They have yoga here. That's what she was interested in. But it's nice to walk in and have a friendly lobby space.
Don't listen. Keep going. Yay! Woohoo! Wow. Mango is off having fun. Leave him alone.